Well, New York City has hired more than 1,000 so-called contract tracers. Their job is to track the spread of coronavirus. They're expensive. They're being paid an annual salary of about 60 grand apiece. That's $5 million from New York's taxpayers every month. The idea is that they're going to prevent a second outbreak and therefore a second lockdown in New York. But they're not even trying. By the way, the concern from day one is that this new force of employees would be used for political purposes, and they already are. Tracers have been told not to ask whether people infected with the coronavirus recently attended Black Lives Matter protests. Why is that? For answers, we're joined tonight by Fox's medical contributor, Dr. Mark Siegel. Doctor, thanks for coming on. What is this about?
Tucker, when it comes to public health, politicians undermine their credibility by having different standards for different people. I'm going to give you two examples tonight. One you already talked about. First is social distancing. The other is contact tracing. Social distancing, Governor Whitmer is a huge proponent of social distancing, except when she went elbow to elbow with the protesters. And then one of the representatives, state representatives from Grand Rapids, said, you know what? Social distancing is critical unless you have a great photo op. Here in New York State, Governor Cuomo uses the stick and the carrot. This morning he used the stick. New York, we may lock you down again if you don't cut it out. This afternoon he used the carrot. Places where he mentioned up to 25 people can gather, the carrot and the stick. Now, when it comes to the contact tracing you're talking about, this is deeply disturbing, Tucker, because contact tracing is at the heart of public health. But a spokesperson for Mayor de Blasio said that the contact tracers here in the city are not going to be proactive about whether you attended a protest or not. But the proactivity is the very essence of contact tracing. Let me give you an example. Down in Cape May, over the Memorial Day weekend, there was a party. There was a super spreader there. The local public health officials zoomed in and checked everybody in the party. They found out who had it, who was contacted by them, they isolated them, and they prevented further spread. Obviously, that applies to the protesters, and obviously, that's what New York City contact tracers should be doing, being proactive and asking that question. Were you in that crowd? What did you do in that crowd? Who were you with in that crowd? Tucker, my prescription for tonight, instead of politicians making these decisions, why don't we turn to physicians? Tucker?
Yeah, well, that's the question you have asked and we have seconded since the very first day. Why not follow the science? Dr. Siegel, great to see you tonight. Thank you.
Thanks, Tucker.